Hi guys and girls, it's Alex here from What the Photo. I got this Haynes Classic Camera kit as a Christmas present, so let's put it together and test it out. So most twin lens reflex cameras you find use 120 size film, but this is built for 35mm, which makes it a bit of an oddity. I've never seen another 35mm TLR, so if you know of one, drop the details in the comments so I can check it out. As we speed through the build, you'll see it wasn't too complex, and even me with my terrible fine motor skills was able to complete it in under an hour. However, there were a couple of issues I came across. Firstly, the washer screws were a bit too big for one of the holes they were supposed to go in, so one had to be clipped down so it would fit. There were also a couple of errors in the instructions, which I'll detail in the description, but if you use a bit of common sense, you'll get through it fine. All in all, this definitely falls in the realm of toy cameras. It has a single shutter speed, which is claimed to be about 1/125th of a second, and the taking lens is an aperture of f11. Strangely, the manual states that you should only use 24 exposure film. I'm not quite sure the reason for this, but some articles I've read suggest it's something to do with the strength of the winding mechanism. Here I am with the Haynes TLR out in the centre of Sheffield to give it a good test. I've loaded it with Ilford Delta 100, it's about 10 years expired and it's not a great day, so I'm probably going to have to push process it a stop, but let's give it a go, see what we get. So the snow's come back now, see how well it shows up on film, not sure it will, but hey, let's give it a go. There we go, that's the roll of film finished in the toy camera. Yeah, it's good fun. Handleability, yeah, well, we'll talk about that more in a bit. But for now, I'm just sort of going to enjoy the snow a bit, and then go home, have a warm drink. Now, you might be wondering why I haven't shown any images taken with the camera so far. Well, here's your answer. Now, you can see there are a few problems here, so we'll have to take a deep dive into those into part 2. But in the meantime, here's a couple which actually came out, for better or for worse. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell to get a notification when new videos go live. Have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!